Hello everyone, in this video we want to find the value of x. Solution. So the first thing that we have to do is to extend this line to touch our line AE at 90 degrees. So let us extend it. Let us label this point F. CD and EF, they are opposite. That means they are going to be equal to each other. So we can say this place is 1. Also, DE and CF, they are opposite. So we can say this also is x. Don't forget that this line is perpendicular to our line. Let us put the sign. Now, since from A to E is 5, it follows that from A to F will be 5 minus 1. So from A to F will give us 4. So now our AB equal to 5. Our AF equal to 4 AF, and our BF equal to 1 plus x. BF equal to 1 plus x. Now our triangle ABF is a right angle triangle, which implies that we can use Pythagorean theorem. And Pythagorean theorem says our AF squared AF BF squared plus BF squared equal to AB squared. AF is 4 squared plus BF is 1 plus x. 1 plus x all squared equal to AB. AB is 5 squared. 4 squared will give us 16 plus 1 plus x all squared equal to 5 squared will give us 25. So let us move 16 to the right hand side, and the positive sign will change to negative. So we are going to have 1 plus x all squared equal to 25 minus 16. So 1 plus x all squared equal to 9. So the next thing we are going to do is to square root both sides. So we are going to have square root 1 plus x squared equal to plus or minus root 9. So this cancel this, and we are going to have 1 plus x equal to plus or minus 3. So therefore 1 plus x equal to 3, or 1 plus x equal to minus 3. So let us first solve for this. 1 plus x equal to 3. If we transpose 1 to the right hand side, we are going to have x equal to 3 minus 1, x equal to 2. So let us solve the second one. 1 plus x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3 minus 1. X equal to minus 4. Since x represents the length of a something and x can never be negative, so this answer is discarded. So x equal to 2. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.